Aloha, it's Diana Hegman with eXp Realty, and we are at Kiahuna Plantation. We're checking out Unit 411 today, which is coming on the market in just a few days. So this unit is located on the second floor of a 3-story building, so just a few steps up to your unit. And if you'll notice right over there, that's the barbecue grill. So here's the view from out front, plenty of parking. And Poipu Athletic Club is located just right there. So nicely and conveniently located. So notice that this unit has been updated. We have the vinyl wood plank flooring. To our left is the bedroom, which has been nicely updated. Newer fan. We have a TV in one corner and a pretty good sized dresser on the other side, just to keep you organized during your stay. Right across the way we have an updated vanity, so updated cabinets, quartz countertop. They even updated their medicine cabinet. So plenty of storage space. Here's their tub and shower combo with glass door. This flooring is just gorgeous. So here's your living room. We have a pull-out sofa. The AC has already been installed, which is pretty convenient. They also updated their kitchen. So newer cabinets, we have the same quartz countertop, recessed lighting, white appliances. It's basically like move-in ready. Nice backsplash too. Here's your dining area. And I need to replace a light bulb. Oh, and I should also mention that the owners have actually installed a plexiglass. They're pretty green, so they want to make sure that you can actually open up the windows and get light in while the AC is running. So the plexiglass allows air to actually cool inside the unit while you still have light. So a couple shade lounges, dining area. Here's your view from out here. And there's even a slight ocean view. I just wish those trees were just a little bit shorter. All right, we hope you guys like it. Aloha.